Xhorse VVDI BIMTool Pro solved BMW 8A motorcycle tire pressure monitor malfunction DTC. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, your ultimate hub for automobile diagnostic tools and programmers. Smash that subscribe button, hit the bell, and show some love with a super thanks. It becomes highly popular to program BMW motorcycle 4D or 8A models by Xhorse VVDI Key Tool Plus Pad or VVDI 2-key programmer. But sometimes, there may be some DTCs on the screen cannot be cleared after completing 8A key programming for a few BMW motorcycles. In case where tire pressure monitor malfunction appears after key programming of BMW motorcycles, we can use VVDI BIMTool or BIMTool Pro to resolve this problem as follows. Step 1. Connect tools. Connect VVDI BIMTool Pro to both computer via USB cable and motorcycle's OBD port. Step 2. Connect car. Run BIMTool software. Navigate to fxx/gxx program/code on the main screen. Select Auto Detect in the drop-down menu and click on Connect Car to retrieve the vehicle information. Step 3. Calculate programming. After detecting the vehicle info, click on Vehicle Programming. The target Stufen Lev should be the same as the shipment date. If there is no shipment date available, choose the latest date. Click on 40FIM X_LZ and calculate programming file. The new programming file is calculated successfully for the vehicle. Press Yes to use System Calculate Program version. The calculation is complete. The gray areas indicate the module's current module version information, and the orange areas indicate the calculated programmable version information. Step 4. Programming. Click on Programming to proceed. Step 5. Clear DTC. After the programming is completed by VVDI BIMTool Pro, click DTCs to read the vehicle's DTCs and clear them. Upon clearing the DTCs, verify that the motorcycle screen no longer appears any fault codes. Done. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe, and hit that super thanks button. Until next time, happy diagnosing.